How to fix Minecraft skin not showing in multiplayer. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you or providing you informations about two specific skin that you can use or you can purchase that is not showing on the world or on the multiplayer mode. So first, if you go head straight into the Minecraft official website. So say for example, you purchase a skin from the Minecraft's official website, like on this page. You do not need to customize the dimension in it because these specific bundles or packs are already pre-made or already customized where you can just simply equipping it and use it on multiplayer. However, if you go straight into your Minecraft settings and then from there you go into general and then under network settings, if you equipped those skins that you purchased from the website, make sure that the option that is only allow trusted skins is turned off so you can use it on any types of multiplayer. Now, if you turn it on and that specific skin is a restricted skin, you will receive an error message that's going to be like on this one. Continuing will disable multiplayer for this world that you're trying to enter. For a skin type that you use, which is specifically for importing skins like a PNG file, make sure that dimensions is followed on the screen that you will receive. Like for example, 64 by 64, 64 by 32, or 128 by 128 and hit on OK. Once you have followed all these dimensions, you should be able to use this on any types of multiplayers. So those are the basic troubleshooting steps for you to fix Minecraft skin not showing in multiplayer.